All right, hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And today we'll be opening this Amazon box up, and that's coming up right after this. All right, everybody. Welcome back to I Am Gadget Guy. I am Gadget Guy. You can call me Justin, but just nothing inappropriate, okay? All right, so today, we're gonna be opening this box up right here. It's an Amazon box, okay? So let's go ahead and let's take a look at what's inside of this box, okay? Okay, so it's got the UN348 one on it. So that means it has batteries on it. So let's flip it over, and just my knuckles, that's all it takes. Okay, so we've got some paper. We've got an Amazon packing list. Let's see here, yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay, but what we have here is what is that? The DJI Osmo Action 6. Yeah, the Action 6. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's unbox this right here. I've been looking forward to this, and I was thinking, I'll never get this because, it costs a lot of money and I haven't had a job for a while. But I've been saving up for it. My wife so graciously gave me some Amazon gift cards. So I took her up on it, and we got this. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at exactly what is in this box right here. So accessories, let's pull that out. The Osmo Action 6. And we've got another stick, selfie stick. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and let's put this aside here for a sec, out of the way. Okay, so what should we start with first? Okay, let's start with this right here. Okay, we are going to start with the selfie stick. Now, this selfie stick right here, it came with the 4 as well, but this one looks like it's a little bit nicer. I'll have to get the 4 out and test it out and stuff like that. Yeah, but I'm currently using the 4 right now to film, so we'll set that aside. Let's get the accessories out. Yeah, let's put my phone back over here. Okay. So it comes with some stickers, some instruction manuals, and things like that. It comes with a couple screws. Let's go ahead and open that up. So it's got a couple screws. We'll put right there. Yeah, we'll put that right there too. So it comes with a couple of these magnetic mounts. See, there's another one. And then we have this battery case right here. And it comes with 2 batteries. I'm not sure if you see those 2 batteries right there. Yeah, see those 2 batteries. I'm not sure if you can see those or not, but then we got a USB cord. Okay, now here is the prize right there. Okay, let's see here. Can you see that? The Osmo Action 6, okay? Osmo Action 6. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Let's bring this down a little bit. So yeah, here is the Osmo Action 6. Okay. Look at it, it's pretty nice. So yeah. So this is the unboxing of the Osmo Action 6. Now I will be using this for the next little bit, and I'll be doing a full review on the Osmo 6 here come April 2nd. Okay, so 2 months I'll be using this to see how well it works in different environments and stuff like that. And so, yeah, come back April 2nd for the full review on this Osmo 6. I am looking forward to it. Okay, there's a lot of good things that I've heard about this. So I will be like, okay, let's go ahead and do that, baby. Okay, so, yep, the Osmo 6. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Next week on this, I'll be unboxing something else that kind of goes along with the Osmo 6. And okay, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Hit subscribe and that bell notification so you'd be notified when I put out more videos like the review of this video, the review of this, and the unboxing of the next week's item, what we'll be talking about. All right, guys, until the next one, I will see you later.